Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my top favorite matte liquid lipsticks. I'm going to be swatching all of them on my lips, so don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you like these kind of videos. And also, if you're not yet a part of our TSQUAD family, you'd like to join, don't forget to subscribe in the link down below. It's a free subscribe. And with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get started with the swatch party.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Until the very last hour, we still got few more days to slay. It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
Alright guys, and we have come to the end of the swatch party. My lips are really sore. I feel like, I don't know, they look really crusty right now, so I'm gonna end it right here. But let me know if you guys would want to see a part 2 of another swatch party. Yeah, those are some of my favorite liquid lipsticks, and I do have way more to share with you guys. They're all under, I want to say, like the same kind of color family, but to myself they are all very different. They all have a different kind of undertone. Some of them are more nude, some of them are more pink, etc, etc. I don't know, to me they all look different. There's like not one nude that looks exactly the same to me though. Let me know if you like this swatch party by giving this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see a part 2, let me know as well. Also, if you're not yet a part of our TSQUAD family, you'd like to join, don't forget to subscribe in the link down below. It's free. Subscribe. And with that being said, I will catch you guys in my next video very soon. Bye guys.